Many children suffer from one or more learning disabilities, often causing emotional and behavioral problems. Few of them will realize their potential. Early diagnosis and intensive treatment are essential in order to provide the necessary opportunities and hope for a successful life instead of ongoing failure and suffering. The Haifa Center, located in the heart of the Haifa community, is a dynamic therapeutic center treating learning disabilities and providing an array of treatments. Taking a holistic approach to the total child, the staff designs a unique program for each child, choosing from the center's wealth of therapeutic tools. The center was founded 20 years ago by Dr. Yirmiyahu Lubash, a pediatrician who recognized the need and rose to the challenge by providing these children with the hope of making their lives easier and our society better.
ראיתי שכל נושא של ליקוי למידה במגזר הדתי-חרדי חסר, אין טיפול.
With much love, warmth, and endless giving, the Haifa Center provides hundreds of people with new opportunities. With professional treatment in areas such as learning disabilities and social dysfunction, pupils are given the opportunity to overcome difficulties and become part of the regular educational system. Above all, they are able to become equals amongst equals.
הודיע לנו בגיל 5 שתמר היא דיסלקטית, לא תקרא. יש לה בעיה במוטוריקה גסה, מוטוריקה עדינה, בעיה בזיכרון חזותי.
From day one, the center has always favored a holistic approach. A wide variety of treatments are offered, including educational, paramedical, and expressive therapies. Music therapy. Reading using the Musima method. Treatment for post-traumatic stress. Speech therapist. Therapeutic kitchen. Occupational therapy. Reading, writing, and learning strategies. Animal-assisted therapy. Didactic assessments. The Haifa Center's staff treats each child as a world unto himself. Pupils are assessed. Once the problems are identified, a personal, tailor-made program for each child is built. According to the holistic approach, a child is seen as part of his wider social circle, and all those connected to him are included in treatment.
אנחנו פוגשים את ההורים, מעבר לזה אנחנו פוגשים את המורים. אם יש לילד קשר לסבא ולסבתא, אנחנו נפגוש גם את הסבא והסבתא. כל הדמויות שמאוד מאוד משמעותיות בחיים של הילד, זה יכול להיות גם איזשהו בעל חיים שהוא מגדל בבית, כולם ייכנסו לטיפול בצורה כזו או אחרת.
שכל אחד יבחר קלף שמייצג את צוראל כרגע.
לטיפולים מגיעים תמיד אחד ההורים או שני ההורים. פה יושבים ורואים את הדברים האלה. את הגישה, ההורה לילד, הגישה של הילד אל ההורה, שזה דברים שזה א' ב' וזה היסוד שמזה כל הבעיות מתחילות.
This attitude, that has proven effective over the years, has attracted clients coming from a variety of backgrounds. Even sectors that have in the past tended to keep their troubles to themselves have gradually begun to open up and ask for the services provided by the Haifa Center. The center's holistic, liberal, and pluralistic approach encourages therapists to keep up with the latest methods available. The goal, as always, is to improve, expand, and enhance programs to ensure that children will utilize their potential.
מצוין. עכשיו את תעשי אותו דבר. ישב מולי ילד, ממש ביקש בעיניים לקרוא. וקיבלתי הערה ורעיון של קחי אותו לשמות התווים. בדו יש או, ברה יש במי יש אי, וצאי לדרך.
Early Childhood Rehabilitative Daycare Center, comprising a nursery and a special ed kindergarten, which operate close to the center's main building as an inseparable part of the therapeutic approach. The nursery is a daycare center which integrates developmentally delayed toddlers together with their typically developing peers. The teachers and their assistants aim to reduce the developmental gaps as much as possible, so that in the future these children will be able to fit into regular educational systems. Those children who are not yet ready to be mainstreamed into the regular school system spend another year or two in our special ed kindergarten until they overcome their difficulties.
אני חושבת שלבן שלי בוודאי זה מאוד מאוד חשוב לגדול עם ילדים שהם ילדים רגילים, להם זה חשוב מבחינת היכולת שלהם לפתוח סובלנות כלפי אחר. זה דבר נפלא לילדים. בשנתיים שהוא היה פה, הוא קיבל את כל הטיפולים שהוא נזקק אליהם. ברגע שבאמת תחת קורת גג אחת יש את כל הטיפולים לילד, זה מאפשר באמת גם למשפחה להתנהל כמשפחה רגילה יותר ונורמלית יותר. מאפשר להשקיע את זמן וכוחות ואנרגיות בילדים האחרים שגם ככה משלמים מחיר.
The staff at the Haifa Center recognizes the needs of additional sectors and provides appropriate answers to growing needs in the community. With the influx of many new immigrants from the former Soviet Union, the center set up an after-school program for Russian youngsters. Here, they receive assistance in preparing homework, spend time doing arts and crafts, receive a warm meal, and enjoy a supportive, loving environment. The center offers trauma treatment for victims of war and terrorist attacks. In the wake of the Second Lebanon War, and based on previous models, we launched one of our most impressive projects to treat war trauma. Close to 100 individuals were given professional treatment at the center. The Family Counseling Center also provides psychological treatment and professional counseling for women and new mothers suffering from postpartum depression. An innovative method developed at the Haifa Center is therapy in the Snowzelen Room, where children and adults alike feel safe and calm and are able to overcome traumas and emotional distress. In April 2001, we were awarded the prestigious William Trump Recognition Award for over a decade of outstanding commitment to children with development disabilities.
ואני במשך שנתיים שנמצא פה, רואה ילדים כמה טוב זה עושה להם וכמה זה עוזר להם, והמקום הזה זה ממש כמו משפחה.
הוא עשה קפיצת דרך מרחיקת לכת שכל מי שראה אותו לא האמין שזה אותו ילד. היום תמר קוראת, היא עשתה בגרות מלאה תמר. ברוך השם גדלה, התחתנה, ילדה תינוקת מקסימה שקוראים לה תרצה, והיא מטפלת בה, הלוואי על כולם שיטפלו בה ככה.
With our high success rate, the center would like to open its doors to more children. We have a long waiting list of those who hope for opportunities for a better future. Budgetary constraints and lack of space make it difficult to accept all children requesting treatment. Look at the eyes and faces of these children and you will see all of us. On the one hand, our society with its reality and complexities, and on the other hand, the possibility of overcoming challenges. These children are counting on us. Help us help them so they can smile at us, at you, at themselves. Give them hope.